Hey everyone, and welcome back to the idiom's origin. Ever found yourself in a situation where you get the perfect deal, combining two great things? You have the best of both worlds. It's a phrase about ideal balance, but what's its ancient, philosophical origin? Let's find that perfect balance. Meaning and origin. First, let's look at the meaning. The best of both worlds means to enjoy all the advantages of two contrasting or even opposing situations simultaneously. It describes a highly fortunate and balanced scenario. The origin of this phrase is philosophical and theological, predating its common secular use. The spiritual worlds. This phrase originally referred to the ultimate state of happiness in a spiritual context. The two worlds were understood as this world, the mortal life, and the next world, heaven or the afterlife. A truly blessed person was one who could enjoy the happiness, wealth, and health of this world while also ensuring their spiritual well-being and salvation for the next world. To gain the best of both worlds was to achieve perfect earthly and spiritual balance. The secular shift. By the 18th century, the phrase moved into common language and its meaning shifted. The two worlds became any two desirable, but often mutually exclusive options, like having the excitement of city life and the tranquility of the countryside. If you manage to get an apartment that provides both, you have the modern version of the best of both worlds. This idiom perfectly captures the desire for a life of maximum advantage and zero compromise. Modern usage and examples. Today, we use the best of both worlds in many different contexts. Working from home gives her the best of both worlds. A professional career and time with her children. The hybrid car offers the best of both worlds. The power of gasoline and the efficiency of electricity. That small town is great. It's close enough to the city for shopping, so you get the best of both worlds. Conclusion. So, the next time you find yourself with an enviable, perfect arrangement, remember this philosophical idiom. It's a powerful phrase that celebrates true balance and uncompromising happiness. That's it for this episode of the idiom's origin. What other rural or simple idioms are you curious about? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more fascinating linguistic journeys.